juicy. I eat that lunch. She keep that booty booty. She keep that pump. That natural beauty. Yeah. If you could see it from the front till you see it from the back, back till you see it back, yeah, back till you see it from the back, back till you see it from the. If you could see it from the front till you see it from the back, yeah. You like it thick, you like it fat, yeah. Like it keep it wanting more. You ask me, don't you where you at, huh?
What's up, y'all? It's MakeupByKyaaa, and today's video is gonna be a back to school SHEIN clothing haul. So I just got my stuff from back to school, and I shopped on SHEIN because, you know, shop for less and still be cute. Yeah, I was doing some stuff, pretty little thing and all that, but y'all didn't have no cute stuff. It was all just one color stuff. You know, SHEIN, you got the words and all that, you know. So yeah, I'm gonna try this on right now. Stay tuned, and yeah. So the first thing I have is this trench coat. It is so cute. It's leather, or faux leather, and yeah, it's big. You know, definitely giving winter. Definitely giving I'm finna be warm. Yeah, it is so cute. Then I have on this bright orange hoodie. It is so cute and it's oversized. So cute. The material is kind of thin, but it is comfortable. See, this is the back. I don't know if you can see. This is the back. I forgot what it says, but that's the back. And yeah, it's so cute, y'all. Like, I could definitely be, you know, styling in it, and this is so cute. Everything I got in the size small, just so y'all know. So as y'all are realizing, I got a lot of jackets, and that's because my school has a uniform. So yeah, but I'm incorporating this stuff to make it, you know, for uniform people and for people who don't have uniforms. So, you know, you can be versatile. Then there's this hoodie. It says Oakland on it because, you know, I got a rep Kaylani City. Rep a city, you know. And then this is also a hoodie. So cute. Just a little black hoodie. I definitely like this. Definitely gotta be one of my favorite things. Because just simple, black, cute, oversized hoodie. Gotta be one of my favorite things. Got to be. And it's so comfortable too. So comfortable. Then I got these cargo pants, definitely giving Kim Possible right now. And this is how they look at the bottom, you know, scrunch it up. And then you can also put it like that. So yeah, this is how these are looking. These pockets are freaking fake, man. The pockets are fake. Crazy. Then I got two of these little collared shirts. I just tucked them in. They're regular size shirts. But, you know, they got the collar. They don't button up. And it's so cute. And they are so soft and they fit so well. Like, they look so good. Then I got this sweater. It's a cream sweater. It's plain in the front, and then it has pockets. And then this is the back. It just says love people with kindness, and then treat people with kindness and love on the back. And this is it. It's so cute. And then next I have this cute little puffer vest. It is so cute. Dang, why is my collar doing that? But yes, this cute little puffer vest. I love it so much. You can definitely wear this during summer, like, you know, when school starts, or, you know, during winter. Both gonna be so cute. Probably with a long sleeve shirt during winter. It's so cute. It does not have pockets though. That's the only bad thing, but other than that, so cute. Then I have on this black denim jacket, and it's so cute. I've been wanting one for the longest. It has rips in them, like holes on the side, holes on the top. I'm one for the longest. Last school year, this school year, every freaking school year, but it's never got it in black. I have this cutie. It's just a pink Letterman jacket, and it's so cute. It's very soft and thick. Like, the material is very thick and soft. It's like cotton. And then, you know, you could button this up, but I'm definitely not gonna have it buttoned up. Definitely gonna be rocking it, like, you know. And I love how the sleeves are long, so even when I fit my arms and stuff, doesn't ride up, none of that. Love it. And then I have this oversized pink hoodie. It is so cute. Like, I'm just loving the oversized and how comfortable it is, because my school, I don't know if it's just me, my school be cold. My school definitely be cold. And then this is the back. The front is plain, but this is the back. It just says nothing, always. Wait, I don't know, y'all can read. But yeah, this is what it says, and it's so cute. And then last but certainly not least, one of my favorite freaking items, this sweater. It just says motorcycle, and it has motorcycle on it. So cute. And then the back is plain, but this thing is so cute. It's just a sweater. It doesn't have any pockets or anything, or a hoodie. Just a cute little sweater, and you know, I could definitely wear like this too. So very cute, very stylish. And now we're moving into bottoms. Most of the bottoms don't fit me, I'll be honest. They really like don't fit me, because the SHEIN small never fits me. Now I have to order extra small, but I'm gonna get thick, so this gonna fit me in no time. Okay, y'all just wait. Y'all just wait. Okay, cause y'all playing on my top right now. But anyways, so this is the shorts. They got a little slit in the front. Y'all might think this is a little short, but my school, they good. As long as it's the school colors, you good. So yeah, I don't know if it's that like that for other people's school, but my school it is. I don't know, this is how they look tighter, I guess. I don't know, they're still pretty cute now. Maybe I just gotta iron them out. Yeah, I think if I iron them out, they'll look good. And I'm wearing some Nike shorts under this because they literally don't fit me. Like, they would literally be down to here if I didn't have any shorts. So yeah. Then we have these shorts, these ones that fit me the least. And I might just have to, you know, do a little sewing to them, because these things fit me like not at all. You see this? You see this? And then without the shorts, literally down to the floor. So yeah, they long long pants. They fan out at the bottom. Not much to say about these. They're pretty thin though, but not much to say about these. And the pockets are real, thank God. And yeah, then I have these bottoms, which are literally my favorite bottoms. They're skirt, so they have shorts on them, and then in the back is shorts. At my school, we can't wear skirts. Sadly, the year I want to go to this school, we can't wear freaking skirts. The whole point of me going to the school, we can't wear skirts. Crazy. Anyways, and yeah, this is a cute little outfit too, giving school girl, definitely giving school girl. And it's so cute. I love it. Then I have these shorts. They're still a khaki color. They're just really light, and they're floral, really. So cute. They also don't fit me, but you know, I'm wearing my Nike shorts under them, so they do now. And yeah, these are so cute. I love them. Gotta definitely give them a good iron. And then these are the pockets. And lastly, we have these navy blue sweatpants. These are so comfortable. Like, I really was not expecting that. Like, they're so thick too. Then they have pockets also. So cute. And there you guys have it, my back to school SHEIN haul 2022 to 2023 school year. And yeah, as you guys can see from the background, clothing hauls get messy, get real messy. This is why my mother needs to understand that when I'm looking for an outfit, of course my room's gonna be a mess. Of course it's gonna be a mess. But anyways, yeah, so that's all I really have today. You know, just some cute little stuff. I didn't get all of my stuff, like my shoes and everything. I did get my bag, but I didn't get all my shoes and stuff, so I didn't want to do a big clothing haul all together, because that's gonna take way too long. Probably do that if I did wait to do that, probably the week of school. So, and we start school on Wednesday, y'all. Wednesday. Anyways, I hope you guys liked the video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Go watch my last video if you haven't already. Thank you. And we just hit 500 subscribers. I'm gonna mention it again because I was shooting my last video, but I'm gonna mention it again. Thank y'all so much, because 500 people, like, put 500 people in the room. Try to fit 500 people in the car. You can't do that, right? So yeah, thank y'all so much. I really appreciate it. Y'all, I did not expect to be coming this far. I remember when I had like 78 subscribers, I got 500. You know, I remember I was getting 2 views. I'm getting 300. You know, so yeah, thank y'all so much. I really appreciate it, and I love you guys. Bye.